So then we have problems with the shop tool. Is it just doing... It's working now? What the fuck? Oh. There we go. This is the problem. See, it sounds like it's working, but... See, it's not doing anything. Like, it's massaging the ground instead of beating it. I can't demonstrate it, but that first bit really makes this a frustrator. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this piece of junk over on the workbench. Okay, so start off, take off your shucky poo. You might have a retaining spring if you work in a good environment. If you don't and you work with other people, they'll lose it for you. It's good. Alright, and then you're gonna get the pair of jaws and just crank this. Okay, I'm gonna go get the pair of jaws and crank this loose. So you get some of these guys, and you go like so, and that comes off. Come on, today. Okay, and then you give it a quick tug, and all the guts fall out. Woo! Okay, so we have the striker, and then we have the valve assembly. So I have two problems with this one. The valve assembly has come apart into two. Oops. Oh, and it's still in the hole. Oh, this is now an adult movie. I'm gonna get that thing out before, yeah, it's this is real. This is all done in real time, ladies and germs. So, oh no. Okay, there's a little Advil. So here you want to polish this off. Just polish the edge of it because it's a bit rough right now, and that sits right in there. But this should be able to just fall out a lot faster than that. It's a bit sticky. So that's gonna see. It's a bit sticky. And then this guy, we're gonna show you how to polish this guy all nice and creative. You're probably gonna need one of these really cheap turbo bite grip tight sockets. Mine happens to be a 12, very common size actually. And then you're gonna want to make sure to take all the schmoo off of it, and then just wedge it in there and put it on something that rotates, come so, and then you're gonna want a grinder that goes come so, and we're gonna demonstrate that in 2 seconds. Okay, so now, make sure the camera is steady while you use your third hand here. So you get this guy going like that. Make sure you have it nice and steady and get this guy going. All right, and she lets you know when she's done. Oh wow, it's hot. But as you can see, we have a nice finish on it, and then we're gonna loop it up and throw everything back together. Oh, and remember, I can't stress that enough to sand down the edges of the Advil tablet, or whatever you want to call it. It's a little one-way valve thing. Okay, mucho gusto. We have all of our parts here laid out. If you sanded this guy down too much, it's a little Advil tab, you can get replacement peso or other piece of monetary goodness and just jam it in there. You know, your country will thank you by giving you these fresh bracelets. So you get the little valve body assembly, and you just drop that right down in there. Nice and easy, and you get your the sleeve. Oh, what is that? Where the action happens. And then make sure to pre-lube everything.
Ooh.
That's nice and smooth now, because before it used to get jammed. And then you're gonna use 2 hands and put this guy into that guy.
Good.
Now using the 2-hand method here. See, this is why it took so long in that previous clip to just thread it in, is because there's so much thread. Because they really don't want this just to let go on you. Okay, now this the exhaust shield, because if you don't put this on, this guy, it's pointed right at your face. And you got to get it on the second clip too, or else it just comes off. And then this guy, isn't that awesome? Just a quick disassembly.
Doesn't take long to take it apart, eh? Or put it together.
Oh no, it's because it's a piece of junk. Let's go try it.
Okay.
Oh, this guy's stuck too. I gotta work on this guy. He gets stuck in there. Alright. Now we got a serious issue. Oh, it's not working at all. Fox, take it back apart.